Misamis Oriental Provincial Hospital, Balingasag, with Dr. Michael Dimamay, who efficiently managed the vehicular accident that happened in Balingasag last week, together with the MDRR of Balingasag. Sa akong gingon kaganina kang Sir Sotsot, what they have planned, what they have been practicing has been put into reality when that event happened in the province in Balingasag last week. So it was well coordinated, MDRR, the hospital, the PDRR, gwapo kayo ang atong koordinasyon. So sa atong Misamis Oriental Provincial Hospital, Balingasag, kaninyong tanan, daghan kayong salamat. And then, so with Dr. Pilardo Ledesma of Talisayan, and then so with Dr. Avinia Flor of Claveria, who sent not only their ambulances, but also some of their staff were sent to the MOPH Balingasag to help in that great event. Now, pasalamat usab kita kang Dr. Peralta, who has always been with us, nga siya gyud ang isa sa nagmanage kung unsaon ang panghitabo. O kusay-sad nga akong dako kayong pasalamatan was NMMC with Dr. Jose Chan, maskin wala siya nakadungog karon. Daghan kayong salamat, Dr. Chan, because when the patients arrived at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on that day, ang mga doctors, especially the department heads, were already at the emergency room waiting for the patients. So, it was efficiently managed, maskin og ubay-ubay gayod ang nakabsan sa kinabuhi, but the patients were efficiently managed by both our hospitals of the province and the Northern Mindanao Medical Center.